Hey, it's Hannah. This is the New Build Show and we're at Worwell Rise in the Cotswolds, a collection of 27 low-energy homes by Stonewood Homes, where classic countryside charm meets contemporary comfort and design. Let's go. We're here to see the Summerford, a 4-bedroom show home, which gives a really good representation of what the 3, 4 and 5-bedroom properties will look like here on the site. Now, we have got phase 1 under construction, so you might see a bit of building work going on, and most of the 4-bedroom properties have already been sold. So if you like what you see, you've got to get in there quick. And the quicker you get in there, the more control you have over your design choices inside. And here we are. Isn't it gorgeous? Woo! I mean, the sun is out, but so is the wind. This is disastrous for my hair. Anyway, now Stonewood Homes are really good at creating properties that feel rooted in the local area. And Tetbury, the town that we're in, is also very careful to preserve the look and the feel of the surrounding area too, which is why we have this typical Cotswold style and look here. You know, you've got the pitched roof, the stone facade, looks a little bit cottagey. You do have the best of both worlds as well. You know, you've got the town, which is really buzzy, but you're also on the doorstep of the countryside. So lots of fantastic walks and beautiful scenery as well. And this site, the way everything is being arranged, does make it feel like this community is built here a lot longer, a very established and cohesive feel. Now, there's a big emphasis on sustainability on this site. I'll speak a bit more about that later. But for now, we've got a sturdy timber structure, solar panels on the roof, EV charging point, that's on the outside of your garage, and you can also upgrade for an electric door, double parking spaces, but it's all about more responsible home building, you know, so having less impact on the environment. You're also on a nice little private cul-de-sac here, so no through traffic, but the whole development is only 27 houses, so it's going to feel like a nice, friendly neighbourhood. Now, I'm in need of a hairbrush, so let's go inside. That's better. Oh my goodness, a bit chilly out there. Not in here though. Toasty warm. We've got underfloor heating on the ground floor, and we are met with this beautiful light and airy entrance hallway. Look at the space, really generous. These ceilings are 2.6 meters high, and just there, going upstairs, it's a double height. Doesn't stop there. Little hallway takes you through to some other rooms, and here we have a cloakroom, which I'm going to use, which is a great size. Excuse me. I'm back. Actually, while I'm here, you just check out the mop. Okay, looking all right. Let me give you some stats then. So prices for a 3-bedroom start at £635,000. This one, the 4-bedroom, is currently on at £965,000 and is just under 2,000 square foot. So let me tell you where you are so you get your bearings. So obviously we're here in the hallway. Down here, we've got a WC, then a handy office, living room, and to my left, we've got our kitchen and dining room, which is where we're going now. Now, Stonewood have a philosophy of kitchen-centric living, and I am here for it. What a social hub. You know, I love thinking about people that walk into a show home that they might potentially buy, you know? You can start looking around thinking of all the memories you might make, like the breakfast chats, the homework struggles, the parties, the family tiffs, but then those morning makeup hugs. I love it. So this is a Sigma 3 kitchen in the Masterclass range, Kensington. And all of this comes as standard, but you've got loads of options to upgrade. So for instance, things like this, you can choose what kind of paint colour you want. This is a shaker style kitchen. If you haven't seen the new film, The Testament of Anne Lee, go and see it, it's amazing. It's all about the woman who started the shaker movement and a style that we are still enjoying 300 years later. Now, if you're a developer and you'd like your development featured on the New Build Show, then just get in touch on the email below and I might be popping around to say hello. Okay, let's go and explore the kitchen. This is such a timeless kitchen. Like, it's not going out of fashion. It's absolutely gorgeous and it's massive. Loving all of these cupboards. Look at that as a unit. This is what I need. I'm always loving things in cupboards. We've got, this is fun, right? Oh my goodness, look at this. We are stocked up. Oh yeah, sweet and salty all the way. I'll hear no different. Not sweet or salty, you need both. Oh, I might have to pop back there. This is great. Nice little cute cupboards. That's very handy for your bags. Bit more storage. Lovely windows that look out onto your garden. We've got a dishwasher, hot point. There we go. Oh, decked it all out. Really does feel like someone lives here. This is fun. The snacks continue. Oh my goodness, is it? No. No, it can't keep going. Okay, well, I'm just chugging that on my break. Tomato passata. What's in the bottom one? Okay, well, the first two were very exciting. Oh, this is great. I know where I'm heading at lunchtime. Okay, down here we have got a Bosch induction hob and lovely, oh, it's such smooth drawers. And then, oh, little hidden, honestly, really kitted out. Just give me the keys and I'm ready to go. Wow. I'm just intrigued about what they've added into each drawer. This is fantastic. Let's just open that. You see that? What a nifty way to open a door. Oh, that's fun to do. That is great. Oh yeah. And then down here, we've got quartz worktops, nice and deep, so plenty of space for things like your Nespresso maker, your toaster. And then a bit over here, let's have a... I love it when developers really think about those details. That must be the most aesthetically pleasing bin I've ever seen. Just neatly, snugly fits in there. And then here, now this is an upgrade. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna be doing that. Put me down for two. A wine fridge. There we go. Such a social space, isn't it? Oh, I love that. And then around here, now you'd be forgiven if you thought that this was the fridge freezer. Integrated full height fridge. Yes, plenty of space in there. And then flanking on the other side, full height freezer. Think of all the meal prep you could do in there. That's weeks worth of food in there. And if it is a busy household, you're gonna need two Bosch ovens, and then you can sit up here on your breakfast bar. I mean, whether it's breakfasts, coffees, glass of wine with friends, this is ideal. And you've also, oh my goodness, there's more storage. There's more storage. This is what I'm talking about. You know, it's not just style and substance. You know, they're thinking about how a family really works in here. And speaking of which, your utility room, where those chores are not going to feel like such hard work. Honestly, utility rooms have come a long way, haven't they? They used to be those cold, drab spaces tacked onto the side of the house. I would not mind doing my laundry in here. Space for a washing machine. And you have access to the garden and the garage. We're in the Cotswolds, okay? You're going to be doing a lot of dog walking. So this is the perfect place to come in, put your stuff away into the kitchen and make use of that wine cooler. I love how open plan this room is, but I have to say I enjoy that it's been zoned out. So this is your dining area and set up for 6 people, but very clever, using a bench, you can squeeze loads more people in there. And on a sunny day like today, you can open your French doors, triple glazed by the way, out onto your garden. Straight out onto your patio. So you've got a power supply and water here. So come the summer and maybe a little bit warmer weather, you get the barbecue going, plug in the speakers, and then here you've got a green blank canvas to do what you want with. Maybe you could plant some trees all the way along for complete privacy, but it's a bit chilly, so let's head back inside. Back into the entrance hallway, and we have a continuation of the floor. It's the same throughout the whole ground floor. This is luxury vinyl tiles by Dean in Van Gogh, but you can upgrade to a herringbone pattern if you wanted. Then down here, we have a pretty luxe downstairs WC. Very handy, especially if you've got guests over. And then through to my left is the living room. The proportions of this room. Remember, this is a new build. This is incredible. Light-filled as well. We've got more French doors that lead onto the garden. And behind me, the most phenomenal media unit. So this is something, again, that you can upgrade to. I would absolutely be doing that. Not just in terms of storage, but what a fantastic centerpiece to the room. You'll see dotted around the house some artwork referencing the local Tetbury area. This town is one of the most desirable and characterful in the Cotswolds. It's like a Goldilocks town. It's got everything. It's got culture, history, full of pubs, restaurants, independent shops. But like I mentioned earlier, you are in the countryside and you have a thriving community, not just in Tetbury, but here on Worwell Rise. Leaving the living room and into a dedicated workspace. And this is not just a little tiny box room. Look at this for an office. Well lit, it's quiet. It's just a room that reflects our modern needs now, isn't it? You know, most of us are working at least one day a week from home, and this is absolutely brilliant. Love this feature wall. But if you didn't need one, you know, this house is all about evolving with you. Maybe you could change it into a snug room, yoga studio, library. It's all about adaptability. Back again into the entrance hallway, and running along the side, we've got this half-height decorative trim that not only adds a bit depth and character, but leans into that more classic look, but balancing it, this is a contemporary home, we have square skirting board, so a little bit more modern. And at the very end, very handy understair storage. Okay, now it's time to head upstairs to see the bedrooms. Right, up onto your very wide galleried landing. Those double height ceilings are really coming into their own here, opens this space up. So we've got 4 bedrooms, but not just one, but 2 principal suites. I can't wait to show you those. Before I do though, I just want to touch on the sustainability aspect that I mentioned earlier. It's not just an add-on here, it's built into every element. So the EPC rating for this property is A. That is so hard to achieve. It's trying to hit net zero by 2050. We've got underfloor heating on the ground floor. Up here is an air source heat pump, and everywhere is just very high insulation, airtight construction. I mean, there ain't no drafts coming through those windows. Right, a little bit of I was gonna say understair storage, no, upper stair storage here. But for now, I'm heading to this one. These homes, they're all about flexibility. So this room has been kitted out as a bedroom / office / getting ready room. It's about adapting to you, isn't it? So whether you're a first time buyer, second time, downsizing, or you just want to invest in a quality pad, this place is gonna, you know, move and adapt around you. Now, the interiors need a shout out. It's all by Design 7, who are a local Bath-based studio, and they've blended this sort of Cotswolds charm with these antique pieces and more modern features because, again, it's a contemporary property. And if you like what you see, all of this could be included under separate negotiation, of course. Well, this room has clearly been designed with the kids in mind. We've got twin beds, but you could easily get, I was going to say a double, but actually I think a super king size bed in here. It's again the generous proportions in this property, and I love this gorgeous green, you know, bringing the colours from the countryside in. On the floor we have got Cormar Sensations carpet, which is just delightful and a must in my eyes for a bedroom. These 2 bedrooms share the family bathroom. Lots of space. You've got a full-size bath here, porcelanosa tiles, heated towel rack. We've got a mirror, sanitary ware, floating vanity, hidden cistern. Everything just feels very neat and pristine and sleek. I love having a little shelf here for, you know, your soaps and your moisturisers, but if you've got the bulkier items like your shampoos, your conditioners, that all goes in here alongside your towels. And if that wasn't enough, you've also got loads more storage space in the airing cupboard. Okay, now it's time to take you into Principal Suite number 1. No, I've not just checked myself in to a bougie hotel. This is nice. If I had guests, this is where I'd be putting them. In a 4-poster bed, and plenty of room for each of them to have their own individual bedside tables. More of that Tetbury local artwork. And over here, loads of space again if you wanted to put a wardrobe in. And like I said earlier, this one comes with an ensuite. Very similar aesthetic to the family bathroom. This one has a really big walk-in shower that comes with a very handy, useful niche. These, you can't add these in afterwards, or it costs a lot of money, so good that they thought of that. Leaving bedroom number 3 and into the main Principal Suite. I've got to say, I think this is my favourite room. First of all, it's absolutely massive. It just feels very welcoming and sumptuous. Got this calming green on the wall with this lovely wall panelling, and the use of raw and natural materials really earths it to the Cotswolds. We've got rattan and wood and plants here. I would have a good night's sleep here. And we've got lots of lovely natural light flooding in, perfect for doing your makeup at your vanity station. But this is not just style over substance, we've got that too. We've got these floor-to-ceiling inbuilt wardrobes. Now, this one here, wow, this is, look how deep this is. A lot of space. This comes as standard, but again, you can upgrade, which I would be doing, to the L-shaped one, so loads more, and you really get to use the whole space up here. Okay, and then, as you would expect, this one also has an ensuite. We've seen this bathroom before in the other 2. This one, though, has these really funky textured tilings, but with all of these properties, you've got loads of range so that you can make these homes your own. Well, that's it. You've seen it all. And if this property or the development has caught your eye, then get in touch using the details in the description below this video. And I'll catch you on the next one.
Today, we're at the Meadowgate development by Stonewood Homes, and we're going to get to take a look around this 4-bedroom show home. Now, this is one of 6 different styles of homes on this development, and prices start at £395,000. The one we're going to be looking at is the Grittleton, and this is £550,000.